Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get chlorine out of clothes. Rinse the garment under cold running water right away to dilute and remove excess bleach. Apply a mixture of 5 parts water to 1 part white vinegar to neutralize lingering chlorine, then gently blot the area instead of rubbing. Finish by washing normally with a mild detergent and air drying the item away from direct heat. Use gentle alternatives when fabrics are delicate or colored, and always test first on an inconspicuous seam. For colored items, a baking soda and water paste can lift chlorine without aggressive bleaching, applied carefully and rinsed. For white garments, dab 3% hydrogen peroxide on the spot, allow bubbling for a short time, then rinse thoroughly and wash normally. Avoid high heat to preserve fibers and color integrity. Prevent future chlorine mishaps with a few simple habits that save time and clothes. Rinse swimwear and poolside garments right after use to remove chlorine before it sets, and avoid leaving damp clothes in hot sun, which can cause bleaching. Store a small stain kit with baking soda, mild detergent, and white vinegar for quick treatment, and wear a cover-up when around pools to minimize accidental splashes and exposure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.